Well, to make the stew proper, I am using olive oil. I went in with some chopped onion, and I went in with my roasted blended tomatoes, and I'm using some tomato paste as well. You stir and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to add my cooking spices. I'll be using curry, nutmeg, ginger and garlic powder, and I'm using some black pepper, some white pepper, some Maggi cube, and some salt. You stir very well and allow it to cook for some time. Then it is time to add your chicken and turkey.